Hey there, San Diego magician Tom Interval here. Welcome to another Interval of Magic. Today I'd like to teach you a super simple card trick. It's not going to make a reputation for you, but you can borrow anyone's deck, shuffle it as much as you want, and actually they can shuffle it as much as they want, and you can do a minor miracle. It's going to be a spelling trick. I made it up a while back, so hopefully no one else has thought of this, but I think you'll enjoy it. And forgive the headphones, I want you to be able to hear this particular one, because I'm here at San Diego State University, and there's some ambient noise, and hopefully you can hear this pretty well. And in future videos, I want to make them higher quality, both visually and with sound. So hopefully this will be a little better until I get to the level I want to be at. So I hope you enjoy this. Hey, what's your name? John, nice to meet you. I'm Tom. So, do you have a deck of cards I can borrow? You just happen to have a deck of cards. So open the box and shuffle the cards as much as you want. Shuffle them, cut them, it doesn't matter how many times. We have a sort of a time limit, but just shuffle them and cut them as much as you want, all right? And as you do that, I want to tell you, I'm thinking of one card. I think of a card, I want you to think of a card as well. Okay? I'm thinking of one, you're thinking of one. We're going to use both of these cards for this cool experiment. You done? Okay, let me have the deck. Thank you very much, John. So what was your card? The 3 of clubs. Now, it's going to be a little hard because I don't have my glasses, but I want to use your card starting with, what was it, 3 of clubs? I found my card first. Would you mind if we used my card first? Since I came across it? Okay. So my card is the King of Diamonds. We're going to use that first to show you an ancient spelling principle. All right? If I spell one letter of the King of Diamonds as I deal cards, one letter per card, you're going to see something pretty cool in a moment. So King of Diamonds, we're going to use the king itself to start the spelling. So that's going to be the K-I-N-G. O-F-D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S. Now, if we spell out the King of Diamonds, the number of cards in this packet represents the King of Diamonds when you spell all the cards, right? Now, that's not very amazing. That's not magic. But what was your card again? The 3 of clubs. Okay. So do you see the 3 of clubs in this deck? Hopefully you do. You see it? Okay, good. Now, very slowly, I'm going to close the deck. I don't want you to think I'm doing any sleight of hand. I want to leave the cards in the order you shuffled them in, right? So 3 of clubs. T-H-R-E-E-O-F-C-L-U-B-S. Hello, welcome to the explanation. Now, as I said, this card trick is not going to make you a reputation. It's something I thought of years ago, and it's just a simple trick, but here's the thing. The strength of this trick is, number 1, they can shuffle and cut as much as they want. Number 2, that deck can be a borrowed deck. So that's the main strength. It can be done impromptu. Anyone's deck, anytime, anywhere. It doesn't even matter if the deck is complete, right? It doesn't even have to have 52 cards in it. So one thing that's very important, a very important concept is, if you have any questions, email me, tom@intervalmagic.com. Thanks for watching and or listening to this Interval of Magic. If you enjoyed it and want to see more like it, along with a variety of other great magic-related content, please help support my work in one of 2 ways. Follow and endorse me on rockfin.com/intervalmagic or become a Patreon patron at patreon.com/tominterval. Also, please like and share this, subscribe to my Interval Magic YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Interval Magic. Until then, may your intervals be happy, peaceful, and magical.